Hey Kangaroo readers! Today we're going to be reading Red Cat, Blue Cat by Jenny Desmond. Look, that's Red Cat. That's Blue Cat. So let's get started. Red Cat and Blue Cat lived in the same house. Blue Cat stayed upstairs. Red Cat stayed downstairs. Whenever they saw each other, it was not good. Not good at all. Look at them. Hiss, yow, scratch. They don't get along, do they? It looks like they're always fighting. But neither cat knew about the other's secret wish. Red Cat wished he was as smart as Blue Cat, and Blue Cat wanted to be fast and bouncy like Red Cat. So they fought and they hissed, and they wished all day long. Look at Blue Cat. So smart, he's able to sneak in and take all the cat food. And look at Red Cat. So fast, he can bounce around everywhere. One day, Blue Cat had a good idea. If I turn myself red, I will become fast and bouncy, he said. So he ate a crab, some cherries, a watermelon, strawberries, and rose petals. Guess who was spying on him the whole time? Who do you think was watching Blue Cat? Yeah, I think it was Red Cat. Do you think eating crabs and cherries and watermelon and strawberries and rose petals will make you fast and bouncy? Let's find out. I will show Blue Cat who's smart, said Red Cat. So he ate blueberries, bluebells, a blue fish, blue pudding, look at him, he's stuck, and certain blue cupcakes. What is Red Cat trying to do? I think he might be trying to turn blue. But it did not work. Not at all. Blue Cat stayed blue, and Red Cat stayed red, and both cats were a bit sad and a bit angry. Oh, I will try something different, declared Blue Cat. Look at me, I'm red, he said. What is Blue Cat doing? He's trying on all the red clothes. Do you think that will make Blue Cat fast and bouncy? Red Cat came up with his own plan. If I roll in this blue paint, I will become a blue cat, he said. He wants to become a blue cat. So Red Cat knocks down the blue paint and rolls around all in it. Do you think that's going to make him smart? Red Cat went to show Blue Cat his brand new self. I'm blue too, said Red Cat. I'm a red cat, said Blue Cat. Uh-oh. Grrr, hiss. They stumble and they tumble and they whump. They land on the ground, falling down the stairs. Red Cat and Blue Cat are still fighting. It had not worked. Not at all. Are you trying to be like me? Asked Blue Cat. Maybe, said Red Cat, but I'm too sticky. I'm too hot, Blue Cat admitted. Both cats helped each other, unred and not blue. Look at them, tugging off the clothes, pulling off the layers. Red Cat helped Blue Cat take his red clothes. Blue Cat washed Red Cat's hard-to-clean paint spots. Rub-a-dub scrub. But they were not done yet. Not even close. Here's what you need to do to be exactly like me, said Blue Cat. Look at Blue Cat. What is he doing? He's showing him how to open up the fridge. He showed Red Cat how to come up with smart ideas. Don't you want to be like me? Asked Red Cat. Well, maybe, said Blue Cat. Just a little bit. Boing, jump. Follow me, said Red Cat. Red Cat showed Blue Cat how to run fast and jump high. Look at them, they're running all over the place. Boop, boop. Do they look happy or are they fighting? I think they look happy. Each worked hard, very hard, to be exactly like the other. Blue Cat's jumping everywhere. He looks happy. He doesn't look so happy there. What about Red Cat? Red Cat looks happy. And then not so happy there. I wonder what's happening. Let's find out. But something was not quite right. I think I like being Red Cat best, Red Cat admitted. I can't run as fast as you, said Blue Cat, but I am the best Blue Cat ever. They were still Blue Cat and Red Cat, but something had changed. What looks different? Look at Red Cat and Blue Cat. How do they look? How are they feeling compared to how they started off? Red Cat and Blue Cat were friends. They did all sorts of fast, bouncing, clever things together. They don't fight anymore. Now Red Cat and Blue Cat are friends. Then one day, meow, meow. I wonder what that is. They spotted a yellow cat. Meow, meow, meow. Look at Yellow Cat singing. Can you sing? Asked Red Cat. Should we be Yellow Cat? Asked Blue Cat. Here we go again. Look at them. Wearing yellow things, eating yellow flowers, chasing yellow birds. Look, they got ducks on their head. Thinking about yellow fish, playing with yellow paint. What are Red and Blue Cat trying to do? I think they're trying to turn yellow. But look at the bottom. Hello, says Yellow Cat. What color do you think Yellow Cat wants to be? The end. Boop. Finish book.